Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the pressure cooker. So the pressure cooker mainly comes with a large saucepan and a lid. And then on the lid, it does have a pressure outlet that is covered by this pressure valve. So that is what controls the pressure. Remember, it's called a pressure cooker. So the food that you cook, it's cooked by pressure that has been contained within this saucepan, and sometimes it goes to very high temperatures. So when you're using it, be very careful. So put in the contents of the food that you're going to use, then add water. Remember, when adding water, never add water more than 3/4 the height of your saucepan. This is to avoid any accidents and explosion. If you fill it up, bad things will happen. So once you've done that, make sure that you have the gasket or the rubber that goes into the lid. Install it in the right way. Then you'll have a mark on the pressure cooker top that will direct you on how to first install it, and then turn it into a clockwise action to lock it in. Then put on your stove, then give it time for the pressure to rise. Then at this point, when the pressure rises and steam is coming from that valve, this is the right time to close it. And then when the first pressure outlet comes off like that, that's when you start timing the cooking time of your food. Remember, I'll be providing you with a chart in the information in the caption so that you can check the cooking time of your food. Once your cooking time is done, you're going to run it under cold water. This is to depressurize your pressure cooker. Remember not to open your pressure cooker before the pressure has completely gone down. You can also quick release. Quick release is done by using a piece of cooking stick and lifting the pressure valve, but I don't advise that much because it ends up spoiling your pressure cooker. So running it under water or just leaving it on the stove once you've turned the stove off, that also can work. So once the pressure has gone down completely, then now you're safe to open and check if your food has cooked according to your desired likeness. And guys, thank you so much for watching. That's how you use a pressure cooker. Remember to follow those steps and to the letter, especially the water should be right. Also the heat. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.